Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your lantern in Fish It. So whether you just bought the new snow globe lantern or unlock a rare skin, here I'm going to show you where to go in the menu to swap them out. So first, what you can do is just click on the settings. So when for the roads, you can just easily click on it at the bottoms, but for the lantern in here, you need to go to the Fish It settings at the top, and in here you'll see lantern skins options. So you can just browse your lantern options by clicking on this view button. So as you guys can see, I have 3 different lantern in here, so you can just choose which one that you want to use and then click on equip skin, and after that your lantern will be changed. So that's very much all. I hope this easy tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.